Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Birdsboro to miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail.
Penny?
Source, radar indicated.
Not that bad.
Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Elkton, Calvert, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Westtown, Downingtown, Conshohocken, Sullivan, Ambler, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, and Birdsboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.
What have you done so far?
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Mom.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Delaware and Montgomery, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Cecil, and Kent. The National Weather Service forecast for Allentown and vicinity: severe thunderstorm watch 390 in effect until 11 p.m.
390, yo, that's like the